Aloha, Talofa, and Ia Ora Na, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kanani, Lokelani, Asuega, and I'm your favorite Polynesian dancer here on YouTube. Today's video is another reaction video to one of my old performances. I'm just gonna do a little commentary over a past solo competition solo that I did. And yeah, this one's gonna be of 2016. The last one I did was 2015. I'll leave the link below. If you missed it, you should definitely check that one out. I'm growing up in these videos as we're gonna watch more. And it's like really cool to reflect back to because one, I think I kind of miss just being young and just being a dancer. Teaching, now that I'm teaching, I don't have a lot of time for myself, but I've also chosen that and I'm okay with that. I miss dancing, I miss solo competitions. We're in a pandemic and there's no events for us Polynesian dancers that are happening right now. All of them are virtual. There's virtual competitions. If you are a dancer and you're doing the virtual competition, let me know in the comments below and I send you some love. But anyway, so yeah, this will be fun. If you're noticing, I'm in a different place. Have you noticed the background? I'm currently sitting in my parents' dance studio. This is our dance studio in Orange County. I love this building. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Lokelani's has gone through 1, 2, 3. This is our 4th studio throughout the years. Every single studio we were in, we spent hella years in there, like 10 or plus years in every studio. The first one being a garage. The second one being this little place, super small studio in Costa Mesa of Orange County in California, if you know anything about California. Someone ended up buying out the whole complex that we were in, and then so we had to move. Then we moved all the way to Huntington Beach and had like a good sized studio. It was super nice. It wasn't super nice. This one is super nice, but it was cool. We were there for 10 plus years and then now we're here. And we've only been in here for a year because the other place, someone bought out our building and then so we had to come and rent a new building. But this is our new studio. Behind that door is the rest of the studio, like the big dancing portion. But this is like the lobby area and I absolutely love this place. As you can tell, it's like it's just pretty, you know? We still have some things, there's some trophies on the floor or whatever, but for the most part, this is our studio. So anyway, first thing I can say about this video is that I really liked my costume, except looking back, I probably should have worn a white patio because it just probably would have tied in the greenery and the white plumeria with my costume. But if I remember correctly, I don't think the white patio worked well with my colorful bra. Putting the color in my patio with the green patio like made the bra pop, but I don't think it did justice up top. Like there was just something missing about it. Maybe I should have worn yellow or something to match the plumeria and the bra. I don't know. Little costume tips, think about that stuff. And my headpiece, I don't even remember where it was like blossoming from, but when I wore it, I felt so much like Stitch's pink girlfriend. You know the pink Stitch from Lilo and Stitch? She had those like 2 large antennae, and my headpiece had like 3 arches of flowers. And it reminded me of Stitch's girlfriend's 2 antennae. But anyway, let's get into the video, whatever. The beginning of this video was, I don't even know if the whole video went viral, but someone took this video and then edited it out where they put like Fa'arapu power on the bottom of the video. I think that's what it said. And it went viral on Facebook. They like posted it to their own Facebook page and it went viral. Everyone saw it. I was like, oh my God, this isn't that cute. Please, like nobody stare at it. I was like, so like shame or whatever. This next part, watch this next part and watch my feet. So my feet got caught in the wire. It doesn't even look like it really got caught in there, but I remember it was like, the wire was like kind of between my toes and I had to keep moving my hips and then just pick up my feet and step out of it. And I remember being on stage like, wow, like can that just not happen to me right now? I'm just constantly repeating my movement. If you watch this whole thing, it goes from like maybe a varu, maybe a tamau, and then fa'arapu. And it's like repeating those 3 moves. There's no creativity in this solo whatsoever. dying already. I have like no stamina whatsoever. Having stamina is like my hardest thing. Like I can't build stamina. I don't know what it is. Also my body looks thin or whatever, but it's heavy. Like I really can't explain what I mean. Like, but underneath my putto is this like big ass and big thighs, and I'm literally like so heavy that I can't move my body. Also, I could probably just, you know, work out more, not work out like lose weight, but like train more to build up the stamina. But yeah, my stamina sucks. It has always sucked. I've always been really bad at stamina. When I watch dancers like be able to just dance like forever, I'm like, and then still be able to do it, like, you know, like past 1 minute, I'm like, even 1 minute I'm dying, and that's so bad, that's so weak. If you can't dance for 1 minute as a dancer, you gotta really work on something. Like if this wasn't me or whatever, and this was actually my student, me looking at my student, I'd be like, get your itch together, bruh. Girls and boys, but it's a little bit less for boys, use those eyes. If you watch that part of my solo, I was really like use those eyes, drag in your audience, get their attention. Everything happens here. If you want someone to feel like you're angry, if you want someone to feel like you love them, like you're happy with them, they stare at your eyes to make to understand what you're feeling, right? Because if I just talk to you like this, then you're not gonna know. But if you use your face and you use your eyes, then you're gonna know what that person is talking about or the energy they wanna give off. And on stage, when you're telling a story or performing, you don't always have to be telling a story, but really performing, the use of this makes your dancing noticeable. It makes your dancing more like intriguing, more 3D. I don't exactly know how to say that, but I hope you understand what I mean. Like it's not so flat of a performance. There's more depth to everything that you're doing in your performance, from the tip of your finger to the tip of your toes, from your facials to your body, everything. Like everything needs to be used and does count. So make sure you do that. So boring. Like that was such a boring transition. If you're a dancer and you do solo competitions, when they start to play takoto, like you think you want to die, because that last beat most of the time is takoto, and it's a repetitive beat. So it's da 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 da. Anyway, it goes on forever. It goes on forever, and you think that the solo is gonna be done and hit that napoko, but it's not. And then finally, after like 1,000,000 hours, it feels like a takoto. Then it's finally done. I don't know what takoto means, and because this might be new to you, takoto is the name of the beat that is playing right now. The solo, I don't know if you can hear it. You can play it back if you can hear it, but the end, which is the chee-hoo, and I was like, chee-hoo. And I remember being on stage like, just smile like that didn't happen. Just smile like that didn't happen. Wow, that solo was cute. It was fun. It just, for me, when I look at it, it just looks like I'm growing up and just trying to figure out my style and stuff. Again, like I said in the last video, because like 2016 was around the time that I started doing this, was caring about my technique, caring about what I do on stage and stuff like that. So this whole solo like is really basic because I was learning to be a better dancer, a skillful dancer, have better technique. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. It's super whatever. It's cringe for me. I don't know if it's cringe for other people when they watch it. I made that my title for the last video and everyone was like, it's not even that bad and whatever. And thank you for the love. Thank you so much for the support. But you know, when you just look at old things of yourself, you're not really always that same person. And for me, I'm not the same dancer, but it's funny because I derive the dancer I am now from this person, if that makes sense. So like watching this, I would do the same idea of like cleanliness and telling the beat, but I would use more dramatic movement, or I would use grander movement. My technique has gotten more difficult in the sense of like my knees are lower now, my hips are larger now because I engage more of my core and things like that, and my choreography is so much more like intricate now than this boring, super basic solo. But you know, we're always thankful for our past self. And so anyway, that was today's video. I don't want to keep you here too long. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment below what you thought about this video. What is your reaction to this solo? Please be nice, but I would love to hear you guys' feedback too. I hope you guys are all okay. Please don't stop training. If you're a dancer, please keep on moving. If you don't dance and you find my videos, which I'm learning that there's a lot of non-dancers who find my videos, try it out. Get up and try some movement. Go to my follow along videos and try that out. But for now, have a beautiful day. Stay amazing, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.